Hi, I'm OJ James from the product marketing team. Today I'm going to show you how to use limit orders on OKX Wallet DEX. The limit orders features allow you to preset your trade at a preferred price over a fixed period of time. This ensures that the order will only be executed if it falls within your requirements, without you having to constantly monitor trading prices, thereby freeing up your time. For example, if Ethereum is trading at 2000 USDT, I could set a limit order at 1900 USDT for 7 days, knowing that my order will only be executed if that price is reached. Now that we know what limit orders are, let's learn how to use this feature. Alright, first ensure that you have a wallet connected to your account. Next, select trade on the bottom menu. This will lead you to the OKX decentralized exchange. Here you will see two tabs, a market tab and a trade tab. At the top of your screen, select the trade tab. Here you can select the token that you would like to buy and sell. I will choose to buy Ethereum on the Ethereum chain with USDT. I can then adjust the price that I want by editing the figure under the token range section. Or if I'm good with keeping it to the current market price, I can just tap on the set to market. I can also adjust how long I want my order to remain open by tapping the expires under section and selecting my preferred duration. Once I'm happy with the transaction, I can select place limit order and then select OK to acknowledge the gas fee. Note that the fee is only required if few transactions goes through. This will bring me to the confirmation page where I can preview all my trading details before selecting confirm. And you're done. Your limit order has now been placed and you can see the status of your order at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.